A lot of these outdoor photographers and filmmakers' favorite drink is coffee. Well, we're gonna make my favorite fall drink, hot buttered bourbon. QB roll. Obviously, it was not made at the campsite, normally where I would shoot something like this, but the military had me working this weekend, so I made it in my kitchen. So I put exactly how I make this in the description below when I'm at the campsite. Of course, because you're outside, there's always different variables, and it doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to be pretty good either way. So go ahead, read the description. If you found this video entertaining, useful, give it a thumbs up. If not, write what you hated about it in the comments below. And you know what? I'll see you guys in the next video.